Start by folding your bandana in half to create a large triangle shape. So this is just a standard square bandana. Then at the point, the corner point, I'm going to start folding it down, and I'm going to fold it about 3 fingers width wide. So that's about, maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And I'm just going to keep folding it all the way back until I folded the bandana up entirely. I'm then going to take it and flip it over so that way the side with the fold with that end piece there is face up. Once I have it rolled up like this, I'm going to fold it kind of into thirds, but for this first style, we're going to make a small bow, so we're going to have a bit of a tail end from either side sticking out beyond folding it into thirds. One tail is going to kind of go to the top, and the other tail is going to kind of go to the bottom. So as you can see, it's kind of folded in thirds. Then we're going to take that one that's at the top and cross it over the other tail, so pull it from the top to the bottom. Then take the bottom one and pull it up to the top. Keeping these crisscross, flip the entire thing over and tie a knot on the opposite side. I'm just tying a basic overhand knot here. And then I will cinch that up really good. And then that's pretty much my bow. The next thing I want to do is I'll want to fluff the ends, so I'll kind of just unfold them a little bit so that way the ends of my bows are a little bit wider. But it's really simple, it's just a matter of folding and tying a knot. First you can fluff it, get it to look however you want. With the tails, you can either leave the tail sticking out or you can hide the tails. I'll show you another great idea with this bandana bow. So get it to the point right before where you're going to tie the knot and get a hair elastic. And slide the hair elastic through one of the tails, and then tie a knot around the hair elastic. You may want to tie it a couple of times so it stays on really securely. And now you've got a cute bow that you can wear in your hair. Of course, you'll need to fluff the ends again, so don't forget to do that step. Now I'll show you how you can make the bow larger if you want. I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to refold it. But this time, I'm not going to cross the tails over as much. I'm only going to leave a little bit. So I left it really long on the right and the left sides, and I've got these really short tails. So I crossed them over as before, and as you can see, these tails are much shorter. So I'm going to tie a knot just like we did before. I might tie it a couple times, and then I will fluff the ends to make them as wide as I want. You can fluff the ends as much or as little as you want. Just get it to look however you want. And with this bow, this larger bow, you can again do the same thing where you tie it onto a pony holder if you want. If you go the hair elastic route, it's really easy to add to a ponytail or to a bun. Just take the elastic and go around your hair, and then adjust the bow, fluff it again if you need to, and it's super cute. You can also tie a bandana bow onto something like your backpack if you wanted to spruce that up. But there's no limits or rules on how you can decorate with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Happy crafting and thanks for watching!